Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. For the past several days or weeks, the price of Stellar on the daily time frame chart is still moving inside this channel. Since after 24th of November 2024, you can see that it is moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, two more rejections. Then we had another rejection here, rejection, bounce. And now the price and is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel. At the same time, it is also rejected by this long-term resistance of 40 cents that was recently breaking as support and support here. And now again, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 40 cents is a quite long-term support because previously it had been breaking as a very strong resistance here. And now it is working as a very strong resistance once again. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern for the past almost 2 years. And I've been telling you that once Stellar will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, it has turned very, very strong bullish. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Stellar found on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% rally. And we will also take a look at this huge ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. You can see that since after the month of July 2017, it is moving inside this triangle. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and this was the last bounce in the month of in the first week of November. Then we got another rejection. You can see that so far it is not able to break that, but still moving very close to the resistance of this ascending triangle. And before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of November 2020, 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that Stellar found on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see when I shared this signal at that time, XLM, the price line of XLM was moving at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line has started a very massive reversal and the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley starts from 42.3 cents and goes to 66.81 cents. And you can see that the price line has already hit that target. And so far it has rallied almost up to 63.74 cents. That is almost 400%, very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this channel after this powerful rally. It is moving down and forming lower lows and lower highs. And you can see that recently it is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel, along with this long-term resistance of 40 cents. And now if the price then moves down to test the support of the channel, then it can test this very long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. Along with that, the price then can also test this downtrend and support of this channel as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance on here, support here, support here, and support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the previous falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past 2 years, and I've been telling you that target will be here at the top of the channel, top of the wedge somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that now finally we are very close to hit that target. And as soon as the price breaks out this channel, I'm expecting that we will also achieve that target as well. Now I'm looking at a very huge setup that Stellar has found on the monthly time frame chart. It's a quite long-term trade setup that Stellar has started forming from the month of July 2017. You can see that this is a very big ascending triangle. The resistance is moving slightly to the downside. And here we have this uptrend line support. Now the movement is quite squeezed, and therefore I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. For example, if the price end will be completely rejected by the resistance, then it can test the support here. This time approximately at 10 cents. And by the way, at 10 cents, we also have a quite long-term support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see that this is, by the way, a 10-cent support. It has been previously working as a very strong resistance here recently for several weeks, a month. Before that, from the month of July 2023 up till the month of June 2024. It has been working as a very, very strong support. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was the last bounce. And before that, it was also working as a very strong support here from the month of May 2022 up till the month of September 2022. You can see that we had several bounces from this support. But before this 10-cent support, we also have so many other support levels as well. Like before that, we will have this support of 14 cents that has been recently working as a very strong resistance here from the month of September to January 2024. And before that, here it has been also working as a very, very strong resistance. If I remove this trend line, then it will be more visible. You can see that we got rejection here. We also got rejection here. And this here, we also had a bounce from the support of 14 cents. And after that, we will have another resistance here at 16.2 cents that can now break as a very strong resistance, a very strong support, because recently it was breaking as a very strong resistance here in the month of March 2024. And before that, it has been working as a very strong support here and here. And after that, before that, in fact, we have this support of 20 cents that has been recently working as a resistance here in the month of July 2023. And before that, from the month of June 2021 up till the month of July 2021, it has been breaking as a very strong support. In fact, the price informed a double bottom at this long-term support of 20 cents. And after the formation of this double bottom, we had a nice rally, but the price got rejected by this downtrend, a quite long-term downtrend and resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And then we again broke down this very long-term support zone. And by the way, from before 20 cents, we will have this very, very strong key support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents that I've been showing you a few moments ago as well. It has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support, support, and support here as well. And therefore, this time, if the price then drops down here, and at the same time, it will be also testing this support of the down channel. I'm going to show you on the daily time frame chart, and it will be more visible. You can see that at the same time, it will be also testing the support of the down channel along with this support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. Therefore, here we have two very strong support levels. One will be the key support zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 27 cents and goes to 25 cents, along with this support of the channel as well. And by the way, if we break out this channel, then first we can hit the target for the breakout from this channel at 63 cents. Then I'm expecting that the price can hit the target for the breakout from the wedge on the 7 days time frame chart. That is approximately at $10. Now, let me to show you this triangle once again. And here you can see that still we are moving very close to resistance. And we did not break down this key support line. That starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. Therefore, there is still a probability that without testing this support of the triangle this time, the price may break out the resistance of this triangle, because and until or unless this support zone will be not broken down, we can expect that the price will move here very close to the resistance between the resistance of the triangle and this support zone from 27 to 25 cents. And as soon as the price breaks out this resistance, the very long-term resistance of this descending triangle that is coming from the month of January 2018, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. Now, if we take a look at the technical target in case of breaking out this ascending triangle, that long-term technical target will be here. By the way, this can be a quite long-term move because this is a monthly time frame chart. And the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.